Hey beauties, happy December and welcome back to my channel. December is definitely the best time of the year, and to celebrate that, Glossybox has created best time of the year theme box for December 2020, which I will be unboxing today. So without further ado, let's get started. As always, before I start, a quick recap for those who are new to Glossybox. Glossybox is a monthly beauty subscription where every month you get 5 hand-picked beauty products worth over £50 delivered straight to your door, and you can get your first box for as little as £11.50 with free delivery using my exclusive discount code BlushLife with link in the description box below, so don't forget to check it out. And this is what the December Glossybox looks like. It's pink, it's white, and it's sparkly. What's there not to love? Now let's open it. Ta-da! Wow, it's wrapped very nicely. I actually love this ribbon right here. So let me do it. Okay. Love this pink Christmas theme and product card, as you can see there. Actually, the first thing I want to do is look at the sneak peek for next month. This is the sneak peek for January 2021, and it is eCooking's moisturizing serum. January is all about starting anew, and I totally agree. And what better to take inspiration from the nature? To start off 2021, we're focusing on the natural and pure, which is why we're bringing you eCooking's moisturizing serum worth £22.50 and packed with natural ingredients. This product will give your skin the hydration boost it requires. I can't wait for that because I do need a new serum. Anyways, moving on to the December's best time of the year box. Let's open it. Ta-da! Wow, I love what I see. Oh my god, look at that. I absolutely love this color. This is the first product that I laid my eyes on in this box, and oh my god guys, this looks so luxurious. It is Wonder Beauty Baggage Claim Gold Eye Mask, which retails for £20, and according to product leaflet it says here, experience 3 innovative layers of luxury with these gold under eye masks, perfect for pre-Christmas pampering. A top layer of gold foil allows the serum to penetrate deeply into your skin, whereas the second and the third layers ensure the mask stay put and deliver key ingredients efficiently, giving you all the skin-loving benefits you need. Your complexion will instantly appear visibly brighter and more hydrated after use. Now I'm so excited for this one. I will most likely use this eye mask on Christmas Eve, so day before Christmas, to see how my eye glows. So yeah, I can't wait for that. I will obviously do a story on my Instagram, so make sure you do check out my Instagram page and follow me for more sort of like up-to-date content. Next product is this one, and this is Symbiosis London. It's their AHA plus RNA overnight rejuvenating eye serum worth £102. Now that's actually insane. Now this product sounds amazing. According to the product leaflet, it says here, this overnight serum is the ideal treatment for puffy, tired eyes in need of relief. Glycolic acid boosts skin's firmness and addresses blackheads, dullness, and excess oil, while RNA helps skin combat the signs of aging, including fine lines and wrinkles and brown spots. With its simmering properties, third key ingredient mica aims to reflect light from the skin for a smoother, softer, and more radiant complexion. This is the eye cream that I'm going to use next. Currently I'm using Elemis eye cream, which is not bad, but this one sounds so good, so I can't wait to use it shortly and let you all know if it's worth £102. And the third product we have is this Nailberry nail polish in strawberry jam, which is worth £15, and this one looks like red pink. Christmas, as you know, is all about red, but I love the fact that Glossybox is adding a bit of a pink to the Christmas theme itself. And according to the product leaflet, it says, no look would be complete this December without festive inspired fingernails, Cool, confident, and with a dash of old school glamour, the vibrant hue of this dark red pink strawberry jam nail polish is a sublime choice. Al Oxygen polishes are also considerate of your nails' future health, utilizing patented technology to deliver a healthier manicure. Now that sounds really good for my nails. I will be using it just before Christmas so I can have my nails looking all Christmassy. Continuing with the red Christmas theme, the fourth product we have is this Sport FX Cosmetics, and it's their Blend and Go makeup sponge, which is worth $4.99. And according to the card itself, it says here, achieve a glowing complexion and a flawless base for your Christmas party looks with this unique eight-sided makeup blending sponge. Whether you're using skincare products or primers, applying foundations and concealer, or adding contoured definition with highlighter, there's an angle for your every need. Oh, love that. Ooh, 8 different. Interesting. Top tip: dampen the sponge with water when applying liquid and cream formulas for a streak-free and dewy finish, but use dry with powdered products. Okay, interesting. So I love beauty sponge and I love trying new ones all the time, so it'll be interesting to see how this one blends in my makeup when I do my Christmas makeup next. The fifth and the final product in December's Glossybox is this one from Palmer's, and this is their cocoa butter formula solid jar. You can either get this one, or I believe you can get body lotion. This is a deluxe sample worth £1.50, and according to the product card, it says here, nourish your skin during the colder winter months with the help of Palmer's. Both the brands Cocoa Butter Original Solid Jar and All Over Body Lotion contain ethically and sustainably sourced pure cocoa butter, which is enriched with vitamin E. These cult classics not only smooth and relieve dry skin, but also blend marks, scars, and stretch marks. Whichever Palmer's Beauty Classic you receive, use after showering to bathe the skin in moisture. Now, I have used Palmer's body moisturizer before and I do love them. Now, this one is more for dry skin, whereas the body lotion is more for normal skin, which is what I prefer. But I do like to keep this handy because sometimes during winter season I do get drier, patchier skin. So yeah, it's always handy to have one of these in my beauty cupboard. And that's all the 5 amazing products that you will be receiving in this December's Glossybox to truly celebrate the best time of the year. Now, I know 2020 hasn't been the best for many of us, but we can still celebrate little things in our life, and one of them being Christmas 2020 with our loved ones. I hope you really enjoyed watching my Glossybox December unboxing today, and as always, don't forget to like this video, follow me on Instagram for more, and subscribe to my beauty channel if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Mwah.